What if all bees disappeared? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at what would happen if all bees disappeared from the planet. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future episodes. There are over 20,000 known species of bees in the world today, and they all play an important role in our ecosystem. From the fuzzy bumblebee to the tiny sweat bee, each one is a vital part of the food chain. But what if one day all of those bees just vanished? Well, first off, we'd be in trouble because bees pollinate 75% of the crops we eat. Without bees, food chains would collapse and the price of food would skyrocket. And not just for us humans, but for every animal that relies on plants for food. That means no more bees, no more apples, no more almonds, no more broccoli. And with 90% of wild plants dependent on animal pollination, there would be very little biodiversity left on the planet. And although bees are important pollinators, they're also predators. They help control the populations of pests like mites and aphids, which can cause even more problems for farmers. The agricultural industry would collapse without bees. Since most of the world's protein comes from animals raised on farms, there simply wouldn't be enough food for people or other animals that eat meat. Not only that, but bees are responsible for pollinating about 1/3 of the plants we use for medicine. That means no more antihistamines, no more cancer treatments, and no more antibiotics. Even worse, the soil would become less fertile without the help of bees and other pollinators. Plants need pollinators not only to fertilize their flowers, but also to produce seeds that grow into new plants. Without bees, the world would quickly turn into a barren wasteland. If this sounds like a doomsday scenario, it's because it is. We humans would be among the lucky ones if bees went extinct, because we could still survive by eating other animals. But life as we know it would certainly come to an end. So what can we do to protect these little critters? Well, for starters, we can plant bee-friendly flowers and herbs. We can avoid using pesticides and support local beekeepers who sell raw honey. By making small changes like these, we can help ensure that bees stick around for millions of years to come. I know it can feel like a bit of a downer ending, but the truth is, we should be downer ending. We should be downer endings. Sorry, I was just thinking about how many puns I could make with that word. Anyway, the point is, we need to take action now to protect our planet and all of its inhabitants. So please do your part and subscribe to our channel, where we continue to explore the amazing science that makes our world go round. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and remember, the only way we can save the planet is if we work together. See you soon.